listen, our film has a 10 to 12 years of research, and most significantly, the film started where Comrade V.S. Achyutanandan gave the statement in a press conference in Delhi in July 2010 that in 20 years Kerala will be converted into an Islamic state. Actually, I took the cue from there, and that cue is reverberated when Comrade V.S. Achyutanandan was under serious pressure from his parties and other organizations. So, my mission, the film, is all about what they said, Comrade V.S. Achyutanandan and Comrade Pinarayi Vijayan, what they said in 2010, 2011. My film is a takeoff from there. So, I only have gathered all the small pieces of the research. I met more than 3,000 girls in Kerala. All the documents we collected, and almost 2 months censor board gone through the documents we had to prove each and every word of the film, each and every scene of the film. So it is a kind of a vindication that what we did, finally it got a recognition. We got a recognition from the public. They wholeheartedly supported the film. Now we got a national recognition, which is definitely a happiness for us.
The main allegation is that you are trying to defame Kerala.
Absolutely not. Did you see the film called the Thugs of Hindustan? Do you think it is a insult to Hindustan? No, it does not work like that. Like Bombay Times. Did you see Bombay Times? Did you see Delhi Times? There is a Mani Ratnam film called Bombay. Do you think it's an insult to Bombay? No, it does not work like that. The phenomena of Islamic terrorism, which is not a new phenomena. The people in Kerala, what they are doing, the mistake, is similar film. You can check in Netflix. There is a series called Caliphate. Same story. 2 Swedish girls being taken to Syria and trying to rescue. My story is same. Problem is, in our country, it is sad that everything is being seen through the eyes of politics. So it becomes otherwise. I made a Malayalam film in 2009, and I have immense respect, immense love for Kerala's literature. You can see in my social media post. From before Kerala story, I always interacted with Kerala very, very organically. So this is absolutely a kind of negative approach. Whomever my truth has created a trouble, it is their propaganda, not mine.
Any plan for second part?
I heard it is happening, but I am not doing any second part of Kerala story.